Hey guys, it's me again. How are you, man? I love you, man. Yeah, but anyways, it's snowing out here. I have to throw garbage out. I might as well do a video. It's really. Hey, it stopped snowing? No, it's still going. Whoa, man. It's garbage night, dude. Oh my god. Never ending with this garbage bullshit in this house. So much of it. Look at that broken down pole. Stuff like that. Bye-bye, garbage. But anyways, it's nice and... Whoa. They had a balloon party, those people. Look at that. Balloons, man. Balloons. It's raining, dude. Yeah, I got you. It's not raining. It's snowing, man. My footprints, too. Yeah, good footage, man. Good footage, man. Go like this.